Super Everlove TV right here at Tema, Nakachi Villa and Hogbetsotso Festival 2022 is here to launch. So we are here at Tema. As you can see, everything shows that they are trying their possible best to make 2022 Hogbetsotso Festival one of the memorable one. So remember, if you are new here, subscribe to Everlove TV and be part of this great family, because we are here to give you great things, every content that you want to see. Everlove TV is right here to give it to you. So subscribe and be part of this great family. This is the only thing you can do to support us. Thank you. Let's go and then watch everything happening here. Thank you.
Bye. Yeah, we can assess the impact if you know the vision of the people who started it all. So we match our achievements against what was the purpose of establishing Hogbetsotso. One reason for establishing Hogbetsotso is to bring back home once a year all our sons and daughters who are scattered all over the world. That has been achieved. Another purpose is to preserve the various institutions that constitute our state. Institutions like the language that we speak, marriage ceremonies, funerals, our food types, our dressing, our music, all these are to be preserved. So the festival is to showcase all these things at least once a year. And the third one is to recall our history of migration from where we started it all to where we are now. Now, according to our history, we started a journey from the lost continent called Amu, that the name is the Volta River. From Amu, we moved to Japan. From Japan, we moved to China, then to India, then to Sumeria, and now called Iraq, before settling in Egypt. We were in Egypt before the Hebrews came. Then from Egypt, we moved to Sudan, Ethiopia, the Niger Bend, Ile-Ife. We were moving in one group, but from Ile-Ife, we divided into three groups. A group settled at Tado, another settled at Dogonyibo, and a third group settled at Ngoche. Those in Dogonyibo came to join the Ngoche people, and they stayed there for a while, and because of the misrule of Tobiago College, they had to move again. So the Ewe group moved again and settled in Chevie. In fact, it was Chevie that they separated into Asogli State, to Akpini State, to Peki. So those major Ewe groups were all there. So it was the last dispersal of the Ewe people. So we want to recall that history so that children will also know where we are and why we come here. And then also we try to do some rituals that purifies the land. So part of the Hogbetsotso festival is to perform land cleansing ritual. Our people know that the land is defiled by certain acts like killing people and burying them, having sex on the land, and then doing abominable things on the land. And if the land is sick, the repercussions are drought, epidemics, bushfires, abortions, and then flooding. So to prevent this from happening, there is a land purification ritual which is performed before the Hogbetsotso. And there also a general cleaning which is also performed to remove all the dirt, all the unhygienic items you have in the home. Then we declare a period of silence. Now when you are talking to your father, you have to listen to the answer. So we have a ban on drumming and noise making. It's also part of the Hogbetsotso festival. Then after that, then we have general reconciliation. We reconcile the rulers against the ruled. The Awo Mafia, on the day of reconciliation, asked for forgiveness of all things that he did against some chiefs. And the chiefs also asked for his forgiveness. So after that, then we have the real Hogbetsotso. But we have a lot of side attractions like children's daba, launching like what we are doing today, Congress of Chiefs, and then other items. All these things are brought together to make what we call the Hogbetsotso Festival.